everyone. My name is Mel from number 4 old. Today, I want to read a book that says Pigs Make Me Sneeze. Carol?
Yeah, the pig comes come to Gerald.
Yes.
Gerald.
What do you want to do today? I want about a swim at a what? Yes.
Yes. Fly, flew the pig.
Yeah. Are you
piggy.
okay? No. I do not know. Achoo! I cannot stop sneeze. Achoo!
I cannot stop us.
Huh?
I cannot stop us.
Stop. How about us?
Us?
Not us.
Us?
No, sneeze.
Sneeze? Okay, sorry.
Sne-
Sorry.
Achoo!
I look at in this side, my side, in my side, and I say us.
No.
Okay,
It's
sorry.
Achoo!
Okay.
It's sneeze.
Okay.
Sneezing. I cannot sneezing.
Okay.
Oh, now, what if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo!
The pig.
What if you tried to sneeze more softly? Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you.
Mhm.
Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever, he cried.
Mhm. Yeah. He doesn't
But
like
Carol,
this thing.
no. Do not speak. Shh. It is too late. Goodbye, Carol. Are you okay, Carol? No, I'm okay. I'm not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze. And Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! Great. Now cats make me sneeze too. Thump.
Tot.
Tut. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I don't think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. I have a cold. You are sick. I'm sick. Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggy, great news.
Piggy.
No. Piggy, great news. He sings.
He's very happy when he heard a new thing from
I have
Dr.
a
Cat.
cold. Good for you.
Why? Why is the piggy do that?
He wants to make his knees like Gerald.
Really?
Yes.
Oh my gosh. Both of them are sick, right?
Uh-oh.
Mia,
Yes.
right? Uh-huh. So,
Can you read another?
okay.
Where's Carol and baby? Where? I can see it. Oh, here. I want it.
Okay.
Here.
Fly guy.
Fly guy, hi fly.
Okay, goodbye Mia so much.
Goodbye.